Yeah, really for the past 10 years, I've only really seen rates going up and up and up. It's one where I'm kind of pessimistic every year as to whether we're going to see some relief. We just kind of hunker down, and it used to be, hey, trying to explain to a client why a rate increase is happening this year, but it seems to be the same conversation I have every year. So we just look to find ways to minimize the impact to the client and take on, make some adjustments to the policy, see what we can do, but increase taken at in the western part, or in Charlotte specifically. I know that's happened in a couple of years. But when we hear of rate increases being approved by the Department of Insurance, doesn't mean that everybody's getting the same rate increase. It could be that certain territories are feeling it a little bit more than others.
My homeowner's insurance covers everything.
That's definitely a myth.
Okay.
Definitely a myth.
All right.
So there are, ideally, the homeowners insurance companies, they try to package a homeowner's policy that captures and covers the vast majority of what you would experience as a homeowner. So whether it's fire, lightning, theft, vandalism, pipes bursting, things like that. There are always going to be some really hard exclusions that the insurance companies label out. So for the dwelling coverage, you'll typically know that flood is not going to be covered under a homeowner's policy.
How about earthquake?
Earthquake, you can endorse it on with certain companies. Not all companies carry an earthquake endorsement.
Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Myth busted. Kinda. I mean, we got kind of.
Have a conversation with your agent.
Yeah. Have a conversation.
It's a good one.
And if your agent doesn't want to talk to you, talk to Bryce.
Yeah.